Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about an iconic luxury residential development in India. Trump Tower, Hyderabad, located on the prestigious Golden Mile Road in Kokapet, one of the Hyderabad's most sought after luxury real estate destinations. If you are someone who appreciates branded residences, world-class amenities, iconic architecture and long-term investment potential, then this project is definitely worth your attention. In this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Trump Tower Hyderabad is an ultra-luxury residential development by Tribeca Developers and Era Realty, bringing the globally recognized Trump brand to one of India's fastest-growing metropolitan cities. Spread across approximately 4 acres of prime land, the project features two striking skyscrapers rising up to 65 floors, making it one of the tallest luxury residential development in Hyderabad. And what makes this project stand out is its focus on exclusivity and premium living. With only around 400 residences planned across the development, residents can enjoy spacious layout, breathtaking skyline view, smart home automation and a lifestyle that's designed to international luxury standard. With a development value exceeding 3,500 crore rupees, this project is positioned as a landmark address for business leaders, entrepreneurs, HNIs, and the global investors. One of the biggest reasons buyers are excited about this project is its location. Trump Tower Hyderabad is strategically located in Kokapet, an area that has quickly emerged as Hyderabad's premium residential and commercial hub. The financial district is just about 10 minutes away, while High Tech City and Gachibowli can be reached in approximately 15 minutes. Major corporate campuses, including Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, are also nearby, making it an excellent choice for professionals and business owners. Even the Rajiv Gandhi International Sport are conveniently accessible in around 30 minutes. And when it comes to the lifestyle, the project has been designed to deliver a truly world-class experience. One of the signature attractions is the spectacular 7-level amenities Sky Bridge, which adds a unique luxury element rarely seen in residential development. Residents will also have access to a grand luxury clubhouse, an infinity swimming pool, premium wellness zone, a fully equipped fitness center. Every aspect of the development is aimed at creating a sophisticated and elevated lifestyle experience. Now let's talk about the residents themselves. So the project offers expansive luxury homes with a premium finishes, large living spaces, floor-to-ceiling height windows, and panoramic view of Hyderabad skyline. The 4 BHK residences come with a super build-up area of approximately 4,200 square feet and are priced from around 7 crore rupees onwards. These homes are ideal for families looking for generous living spaces combined with a luxury and privacy. For buyers looking for even larger homes, the 4.5 BHK residences range from approximately 4,800 to 5,800 square feet and are priced between 8 crore rupees. And at the very top of the luxury spectrum are the 6 BHK duplex residences. These homes range from approximately 6,200 to over 11,500 square feet and start from around 10.33 crore rupees onwards. Designed for ultra high net worth individuals, these residences offer unmatched space, exclusivity, and prestige. Across all configurations, buyers can expect smart home automation, imported specification, premium finishes, expansive living and dining areas, high speed elevator, and breathtaking city view. From an investment perspective, Kokapet is currently one of the Hyderabad's strongest luxury real estate market, and its proximity to the financial district, high-tech city, and major multinational corporations has created strong demand for premium residential properties combined with ongoing infrastructure development and increasing corporate expansion in Hyderabad. The Trump brand itself adds another layer of exclusivity and global recognition, making this a limited inventory luxury product that stands out in market. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.